Okay guys, so this video is a recording of task A2D, okay? So Selvi wants a list of boats that are Premier Plus in style, have a skipper available, and are more than 15 meters in length or have more than 10 berths, okay? The list must only show the field's boat ID, length, boat name, berths, in that order. And it must be sorted in descending order, okay? So this is quite a big one, it's worth 5 marks. So I'm going to start off with top corner here. I'm going to select create, and then I'm going to select query wizard. I'm going to select OK at this point, and then I'm going to select my fields I need. Okay, so I'm going to need boat ID. I'm then going to need length. Okay, I'm then going to need boat name, because this is what the exam has asked us to show, and then I'm going to select berth. Okay, but the search are asking me for whether it's Premier Plus or whether there's a skipper available, okay? So you're gonna say style and then skipper at the end. And then I'm gonna select next, next, give my boat query a relevant name. So the exam has asked me to save it as Premier Plus. You can do this later on if you want, but just save yourself some time, do it here. And then select finish. I'll just select it as Premier Plus 1 for a second, and then select finish. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my Premier Plus query. Down here you can see a query, select Premier Plus, and then I've got a query here that I haven't actually done yet. Okay, so to select the criteria you want, go to the top, right click, and then go to design view. Okay, I'll just close my properties there. So I've got boat ID, length, boat name, berths in the correct order, and then style and skipper available. Okay. So I don't really want to show style and skipper available, so I'm just going to untick these 2 boxes because that's what it's asked for, okay? And then I have to say, right, I need to find Premier Plus in style. So my style is going to be under criteria, I'm going to put Premier Plus. Okay. And then is there a skipper available? It has to have a skipper available. So in your table, you will notice there's a tick box. There's just a box for the skipper. Okay, so that's a yes or no. That's a Boolean value. So we want to put yes. Okay. Are more than 15 meters in length or have 10 berths. Okay. So in the length, you're going to put greater than 15. And then here, under the or section, you are then going to select berths, which has got more than 10 berths. So in the or section, you're going to put greater than 10. Okay? And then because you've selected or, you're going to put Premier Plus there. Okay? And then yes there as well, because you've used the or function within your query. Okay? Then what you need to do is screenshot this. Okay? You need to show the examiner your design view of your query. Okay, so again, I'm going to go to snipping tool because that's the easiest one that I like. Okay, go to snipping tool. I'm going to select new, and then I'm just going to take a screenshot here of my first query. File, save as. Okay, Premier Plus. Okay, then I'm going to save that. Go back to my evidence document. Okay, scroll down, give it task A, 2D, okay, insert pictures, and then make sure I've got my Premier Plus image in there. Okay, so that's my query design. Make sure you show the examiner query design view. Okay, so they can clearly see that. Right, now I'm going to go back to my query, top left corner here where it's got the exclamation mark. I'm then going to select run. And there we go, I've got my query, okay? It needs to be sorted into descending order in length. So I'm just going to go back to my design view, okay? And then in length, descending order of length, I can then just select this here so it says descending, okay? And then run it again. And you can see there, that then has got my query into descending order, okay? Then snipping tool. Okay, screenshot that again, file, save as, Premiere Plus 2, okay? Then go back to my Word document, and then I'm just gonna scroll down, insert, don't want to insert a table, insert a picture, Premiere Plus 2, enter, okay? And then that's my second query. Okay, taking the screenshots is important in the exam to make sure you've got your evidence.